Welcome to another video from our onboarding series. Today, we will show you how to get started with your workspaces and dashboards so you can structure your team's work in the most practical way possible. We will also explain the different types of workspaces in Businessmap and what information you can visualize on your dashboards. Let's get started. As soon as you log into the platform, you'll see a screen like this, showing different workspaces and work management boards inside of them. To set up a brand new workspace, go to My Workspaces and click on the New Workspace icon. You'll see two options, a Team Workspace and Management Workspace. A Team Workspace represents a department or functional area, like engineering, marketing, operations, or design. Inside it, you can have multiple boards with projects and tasks on a team level. A Management Workspace, on the other hand, groups different teams into one view, which is handy for managing cross-team projects or project portfolios. For example, you might want to see all the projects your engineering department is working on, or view projects from different departments in a single place. In this case, you'd create a management workspace. Let's create a team workspace as an example. We'll name this one Engineering. You can customize this with your own department names. Now, let's create the first board inside it. For instance, Technical Analysis. The new team workspace is now visible on the home dashboard, along with its board. You can also add additional boards inside the same workspace. We'll go over what exactly you can configure inside each board in a separate video. Now let's say you want to oversee all projects in a department like engineering, or even across multiple departments. To do that, go to Add New Workspace and choose Management Workspace. We'll create one called PMO and add a relevant board called Engineering Projects. This type of workspace allows you to link other workboards to it so you can get high-level project or program management visibility. For example, let's link the Technical Analysis team board to the Management board. This will allow you to track the execution of your high-level goals or projects across specific team workflows. Now let's look at dashboards. In the left side menu, click Add New Dashboard, give it a name, and hit Save. A dashboard is a centralized view where you can combine multiple workspaces, both team and management, add widgets and visualize different predefined or custom reports to visualize progress and performance across specific projects and goals in the entire organization. Once the dashboard is created, you can add existing workspaces to it or create new ones. Select the ones you want to display, and they'll be added here. You can organize multiple dashboards for different use cases, for leadership reviews, portfolio overviews, or strategic initiatives. You can also add widgets to dashboards, for example, reports or KPIs. We'll cover those in another video. For now, you can return to the home dashboard to see all your workspaces neatly organized. That's it for today's video. We recommend you start organizing some workspaces for your teams and projects to get a feeling of the platform. And don't hesitate to ask us questions. We're here to help. See you in the next video, where we will dive deeper into setting your work management boards and workflows.